Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1105 and 1113 South Lake Road with 400 feet on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is the ultimate waterfront compound, so let's take a tour.
This is lakefront living. The main house features an updated kitchen with white cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, an island, deck access, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to an expansive living room with cathedral ceilings and a gorgeous fireplace. The first floor also features 3 bedrooms with hardwood floors, including a master suite and 2 beautifully updated full bathrooms. While a lower level features a 4th bedroom, full bathroom and laundry, and a great room with a second kitchen and living area with a brick fireplace.
The first guest house is an historic bungalow restored to perfection. The open great room includes a kitchen, dining area, and a living area. Enjoy lake views from the enclosed porch, plus 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, while the second floor provides an expansive additional living space. The second guest house is a beautifully restored barn with a great room including a kitchen, dining, and a living area, plus an expansive first floor bedroom and updated bathroom. The upstairs features a sitting area, 3 additional spacious bedrooms, and a full bathroom. The main house is situated on approximately 18 acres for your nature enjoyment or development, and includes a 4-car garage outbuilding, great for storage.
The main house features 100 feet of shale beach and a permanent dock, while the bungalow enjoys 74 feet of waterfront and the vintage barn has 100 private feet of its own.
What a great Canandaigua Lake compound! Buy one or buy them all.
You can have it all on Canandaigua Lake.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1105 and 1113 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.